69 here at Computex 2013. I'm at the Coolermaster booth, where I've managed to get someone to tell us what we're looking at today.
Hi guys, I'm Nick, and welcome to the Coolermaster booth. I'm going to introduce you our new products this year. And you can see this case. It's our new Cosmos SE. And all the parts inside the cases are new stuff. Right here you can see the iceberg. This is a liquid cooling and German design. And this is our V-Series power supply. And also you can see the case. It can install radiators like 240s and 120 and 360 radiators. So this is very cool case, and all the components right here are very the products we're gonna focus this year. So very cool, and it's called all red stuff.
Thank you. Let's move along and take a look at some of the radiators.
And right here you can see the new radiator. This is 120 radiators, but you got two 120 radiators. So the performance is better than 240 millimeter radiators. So this is our new stuff. And you can install 3 fans. Right here, there's the fan right here. And also you can install extra 2 fans.
What's the name of that one?
It's Sidem 120D. It's a concept just like the sandwich. And right here we have a bigger radiator, because normally you guys know 120 and 240 millimeter radiator, but we got a bigger. This is 140 and this is 280. And this is the new stuff called Napton.
Alright.
And right here you can see all the air cooler. This is our V8 GTS, really fancy and very cool. But you can see this compatible with all the cases, and it's not gonna stuck your memory or something.
Do you have any new fans this year?
Yeah, this is our new fan, Jet Flow. You can see 4 different colors and very good airflow. And you got the rubber on the corner.
Very nice and
Yeah.
white. Nice. Okay. Alright.
And let's go to
We'll look at the cases. Alright. Alright, just a second, ready? Go ahead.
Alright guys, you can see all the cases right here. This is very cool, ED130. This next generation of ED120. You can install all the high-end stuff in the small case.
Very good.
And this is our N series cases with N200. It's a micro ATX case.
It's a nice little case.
Nice little case, and you can install all the stuff right here. And this is our 693. And the Silencio 352. It's a very good case. You can just open the front panel.
So instead of coming out with the giant Cosmo 2 this time, you
Giant Cosmos too. We will do the small cases this year, and then show all the like all the small case. You can install all the high-end components.
Seems like with the Intel Gen 4 chips, everyone's thinking small these days.
Yeah, that's right.
That's good, yeah.
But you also got the good thermal solution.
Alright. Nice red.
Next here is all our gaming gears with the keyboard, mouse, and everything. And you can see the keyboard mouse.
She lost Angry Birds? What's going on? Oh.
Shot by enemies.
Poor little girl. She got team killed, right? Is that what you're talking about? No. Oh.
Cry.
Say hi to overclock.net. Oh, that's so sad. I know lots of people want to help you. So we're very familiar with the Coolermaster keyboards. I seem to have zoomed in. We're very familiar with your keyboards. We all love your keyboards. I actually own a Quickfire in the red switch. What do you have new for Computex this year?
Yeah. We just launched the Quickfire Steels and the XC is following. And then each of our keyboard provides at least 3 kind of switches. Yeah. And the most embarrassing is the TK. We sell very well in America, especially US and Europe. Yeah.
I know TK is a nice looking keyboard. What can you tell me about here, the XL? Is that just a quick fire that with the 10 key added on?
XL.
XT, sorry. My bad,
sorry.
my bad.
Oh, sorry.
I can't even see.
Yeah, this like what I talked about. We provide blue, red, brown, and green switch. You know, from the softer to the hardest green switch. Yeah. And each XT features very durable PCB board embedded inside. I mean, a steel plate board, and of course the Winlock and multimedia shortcut, and it's flatter than our TK and Quickfire Ultimates. Yeah, include.
Look at the Ultimate there. I've actually not focused on that yet.
Ultimate is almost actually is almost the same as our Quickfire Pro, but it's full backline. Yeah, full backline, full LED backline. Yes. And the rest almost the same.
The rest is almost the same.
Yeah, almost the
and
same.
There's the TK that we're very familiar with on overclock.net. Very highly recommended keyboard for us. And there's the new XT.
And we just launched
up there,
last month the Quickfire Steels. Yes. As you can see, we make it side printed keycaps.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a hard question for you now. If I own a Quickfire, can I buy a set of Stealth keycaps and convert it over to the Stealth?
我怎么解释啊？
Told you it's a hard question. Right? I actually own 2 Quickfire keyboards. I own a red and I own a brown.
Okay.
So I would very much like to switch one of them over at least to a Stealth. I don't want to have to buy a whole new Stealth keyboard. If you could sell me the Stealth keycaps, I would be delighted. So you're not gonna get into selling keycaps at all.
No, not especially provide keycaps. But
tell your marketing guys, there's a big market.
Okay, we will try.
For selling keycaps.
We will try.
Different color keycaps, if you can get into that sort of thing. I know a lot of people have asked, where can I buy different color keycaps, different language layout keycaps? We just want a set of keycaps. We don't want to have to buy a whole new keyboard.
Yes, but yeah, we are planning to sell special keycap with different color or different height. Yeah, we are planning, and but now we have you know, the normal keycap and sampling keycap, and we are going to launch another keyboard with blank keycap. You know, totally blank. Totally blank.
A taco board. Well, thank you very much. Thanks. Oh, I guess she's winning. Are you winning or did you die?
赢了吗？你们赢了吗？
我杀到4个。
Kill 4.
4 kills! You're going to Disneyland! All right, now we can come over here to the power supply. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to hop down. Hold on a sec.
Oops. Oops.
And there we go. Just set it on there.
Oops. Alright, and this is our new powers this year, which is the V series. And V series includes 700, 850, and 1000 watts. And we're showing all the components inside the V series, which we use all the high quality stuff. Right here, first you can see the Japanese capacitor. And also we also use the Japanese solid capacitor here. And 42 millimeter transformer, this one. And right here we have a custom DC to DC module. And this is a special design which provide better efficiency. Right here you can see the flat cable for easy cable management. And the new fan, which is the long life and very silent, which is the FDB fan.
Ooh, fluid dynamic.
Yeah,
Everyone loves fluid dynamic fan. That's a big one right there.
That's a big one. It's a new bearing, good bearing fan.
You got me there. I love fluid dynamic fans.
Nice.
We're fans of fans on OCR.
Yeah. And you can see the very good coating on the V.
Let me zoom out. Okay.
And this is a fully modular system.
Very nice. Did you say what the plus rating was on these?
Oh, it's 80 plus gold certified.
Very good.
And right here we are showing two identical systems with two 80 plus gold certified power supply, but they're different brands. It's our V series, and this is the other brand 80 plus gold power supply. Let me show you. Get it power on, and I'll show you the difference between those two. They're identical, use the same motherboard, CPU, VGA card, everything is the same, just the power supply is different. And now it's booting. Okay, you can see under the same condition, the same voltage, the same current, but they got the different wattage, which means you can see this is the idle mode system. You don't use any like 100% loading or playing games, but it's just idle mode.
Okay.
And usually 80 plus gold test, and you got the 80 plus gold certified with 20%, 50%, and 100% loading, but people never test that under 20%. So we're just showing under 20%, we still got the high efficiency. You see the wattage, other brand power supply got 76.
Yes.
And our power supply 55. So it's a big difference.
Tell me what are the three numbers on each of those, if some people don't know.
Oh, on top, this is 155 volts, 115 volts. It's just
So
AC
that's the wall,
direct.
that's the wattage from the wall, the voltage from the wall.
From the
so
wall.
It's,
so everyone got the same.
110 volt system. Okay.
Yeah.
But
And
it's actually 115.
115.
That's good.
And current, it's a power supply. Just the amp power supply provide the amp to the motherboard.
So that's the DC current from the power supply to the
DC
motherboard.
current.
We're looking at 50 and almost 70 it was for a while on the other one.
The wattage.
Yeah. And what's the bottom number?
The wattage.
Oh, that's the
number.
wattage.
Yeah.
That's a significant difference for an idle system.
Yeah,
So this one
idle
just
system.
sitting there is burning.
Yeah, it's burning and then spend more wattage, so you're using more electricity. Which
So
means,
that competitor system is just throwing your money away.
yeah,
Every time it's sitting
that's
there.
right. That's right.
It's throwing away your money.
That's right.
Curse them!
So ours got better.
All right. That's Kip69 here at the Coolermaster booth, Computex 2013. Thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you.